Audience? What are you doing? Sonic screwdriving the 0 degrees audience. I am in Bristol at the moment. And vlogging. Everyone is looking weird at me. And I'm drinking mango beer. Cheers. So yeah, I'm in Bristol at the moment, celebrating a good friend of mine's birthday, and on Wednesday my birthday. And I don't know what I should tell you guys. I obviously got myself a sonic screwdriver, which is awesome. I had so much fun with it. I also bought a Guy Fawkes mask, and I forgot to get my iPhone to shoot everything. But Bristol is fucking awesome. I love it. So good to be here. Anyways, I think I'm gonna get you guys and put you in with me and show you the guys I'm hanging out with, because I think that's rather fun. So, before I talk too long, let's, come with me. So there's Kieran. Hello. This is James. Hey. There's some other ladies on the side, which names I forgot, but rather hi. There's Sarah. There's the rest of us. There's the birthday child, so to speak. Oh, so now we see your face. Awesome. Yeah, mango drink. I'm having way too much fun with this thing here. Oh wait, doesn't work. Okay. And Dragon, James, yo, what are we doing?
Well, I guess we're just sitting around chatting about games and drawing stupid doodles and drinking.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. What are we doing when we're done?
Pardon?
What are we doing when we're done?
We're going to another place to drink, but we're going to a cider house.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
You know, I already had something like...
Weird! I'm fine.
You already had something like... I don't know, 4 beers? I think I had 4. And I'm scared. Anyway, I'm heading off. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.